Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday. You know what that means? That means it is downhill skiing to the weekend. Yeah, take a look at this. Here's a picture from Al Piccioli. We showed this earlier on. I just wanted to show you his beautiful garage, but it was hard to get to it. Look at all the snow. I mean, the only way he could do is shovel a path, and that's got to be 4, 5, 6 feet high. It's incredible. Nice looking at Al. Meanwhile, take a look at this shot. This came to us from Amanda Brommel. This was the wind blowing the snow up and over the Beartooth Mountains a few days ago. Yeah, that was bad. Here's the way it's happening in Billings right now. Look at the light snow. You can see off in the distance, just kind of highlighted by the street lights. 17 degrees right now with light snow falling. The wind is calm at the moment, and our high temp today, 32. The normal high, 39. The record was 64 back in 2015. The record low is 22 below zero back in 1936. And when it comes to precipitation, so far we've measured a couple of hundredths of an inch of snowfall today, and so that takes us to 49 hundredths on the month, and so we're ahead of normal there for the year. We're at almost 3/4 of an inch, means we're almost ahead of normal there as well. Normal for this time of year is 67 hundredths, so we actually surpassed that already. Meanwhile, as we move on, you take a look at our current temperatures are basically into the 20s and 30s out in the west, although over at Great Falls we're cooling down to 11. The cold Arctic air that moved in overnight last night is slowly but surely pushing its way towards the mountains, but look at this. Look at how cold it is. 16 below zero at Glendive right now, Miles City, 7 below, 9 below over Glasgow. These are reported high. How come they weren't so cold? Well, most of these highs were taken at midnight last night, or 1 minute after midnight, when the temps were still into the 20s and 30s. Now, as you'll see here, this is the way things are shaping up now. Doppler radar shows you light scattered snow showers still lingering around the Billings area. As we pull back, basically the jet stream's coming right out of Canada. It's stirring up the air just enough that we're getting a little condensation developing, and we're seeing a light snow develop here in the Billings area. So what's happening is this cold Arctic air continues to move down through here. We've got a little bit of moisture overrunning that cold air right at the Billings area, and that's causing the snow. But watch what happens. This cold Arctic air continues to slide away. By tomorrow afternoon, that's a warm front moving through. They'll kick all that cold Arctic air to the curb and into the Dakotas. We'll get a high pressure moving in, warmer temperatures as well. And so what you will see is maybe another cold front move through on Friday. But this is not an Arctic cold front. It's coming from the Pacific. It'll be a little bit cooler, but not too bad. The Arctic air is still jammed up in Canada, so we'll just see some scattered snow showers. How much? Not much. Just light stuff for the Billings area. Maybe 1 to 2 inches over at Kalispell and Missoula. I think maybe some light snow over in Sheridan as well, and maybe Williston could see maybe 1 to 2 inches of snow there, but as you'll see, not much going on. Now tonight in Billings, and temperatures go down to 9 degrees, 17 below at Sydney, 7 below over at Miles City, and 3 below at Broadus. Tomorrow we get right back up into the 20s and 30s, maybe 40 degrees over Livingston with mostly sunny skies. Here in Billings tonight, we're going to go down to 9 with a 40% chance for some additional snow showers tonight. Then for tomorrow, back up to 32 degrees. Dry, 41 on Friday, dry. Saturday, dry and 39 degrees. But on Sunday, 60% chance for snow and 42 that afternoon. 20% chance for snow on President's Day. And then we cool it back down into the 30s on Tuesday and Wednesday. But it'll be mostly sunny those days. Back to the desk.